Hey, Kelpieone here on Stainedglasscuts. Today I'm going to show you how I cut polygons and stars in glass. Here are some familiar shapes: a triangle, a square, pentagon, hexagon, and an octagon. Polygons can be used to form tiling patterns known as tessellations. A byproduct of cutting polygons with more than 4 sides can be stars. So how do I cut these things? You won't find a stained glass polygon cutter online. You can cut some even-sided polygons with a simple fixed angle straight edge, but when you get beyond triangles and squares to other multi-sided shapes, good luck. It's probably why the stained glass community hasn't explored tessellations that much. But not to worry, I've made a polygon cutter. The cutter I built years ago is lost to time, so here's my 2.0 version. It has a rotating platter with angles marked, a removable guide bar, and some clamps. First I'll fix my guide bar to the cutter. Next, I'll line up my start mark. This is my start mark. Take my piece of glass and center it on the cutter. You need to get it nice and centered. And then I'll make my first score. I'll rotate the platter. We're going to make an octagon here. The nice thing about the guide bar is you can adjust it up and down your ruler to determine the size of polygon that you want to cut. So I've got my 8 score lines, and I'll break them out with my running pliers. And as you can see, we end up with an octagon. Next, I'm going to make a pentagon. Now, the pentagon, I'll line up as I did before with my cutter, but I'm also going to produce a star at the same time. This time I only need to make 5 cuts. Line up my start mark. All right, there's our 5th score, and you'll see that we've created a star pattern. So again, we'll just break it out with our running pliers. And as you'll see, we end up with our pentagon in the middle, and we have perfectly matched points for our star. In the future, I plan to show how to build a polygon cutter. One last note, once you master cutting polygons, you're on your way to making polyhedrons. Hope you found this video interesting. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Cheers!